mwongeye kwirirwa neza rero banyeshuri beza. Khalid nk'ibisanzwe aha turi ni kuri Tips House Academy mu isomo ryacu ry'icyongereza cyangwa se spoken English, aho turimo turiga kuvuga icyongereza neza kandi tukazakimenya mu gihe gito. Ntucikwe rero nimba warakurikiye amasomo yatambutse, uyu munsi tugeze ku isomo rya 8. Urumva yuko nimba ugeze ku isomo rya 8 hari ibintu byinshi umaze kugira gute, umaze kunguka. Isomo rya 8 rero byo tugiye kwiga ibyo bita pronouns. Iyo tuvuga pronouns ni amagambo amwe namwe twikoresha dusimbura amazina mu nteruro. Turaje mu kanya tuyarebe, gusa nizere yuko birimo biragenda biza. Nimba wimprovinga, nimba hari ubona umaze kugera kubera ibyo turimo turiga, don't wait, just tell us ko uri muri improvinga. Kandi ntukagire ubwoba, ujye umbaza uko byagenda kose, haba ari kuri WhatsApp kuri iyo nimero nashizeho umunsi, haba ari muri comment no kuri email. We ujye umbaza nzajya ngusubiza nta na kimwe. This is Professor Khalid. We are at Tips House Academy in Spoken English. Let's start. As definition, they say that a pronoun is a noun that is used to replace a noun in a sentence. Pronoun ni ijambo risimbura izina mu nteruro. Ni ukuvuga ngo nimba ngiye kuvuga nk'interuro ariko zikaba ari nk'interuro ebyiri, ntabwo nzakuvuga wowe ngo nkuvuge ngo mu nteruro ya mbere no mu nteruro ya kabiri ngo nongeye nsubiremo izina ryawe. Ni urugero, ushobora kuvuga ngo mwarimu n'umwana mubi, mwarimu yirukanye umushuti wanjye cyangwa se yirukanye inshuti yanjye. Urumva ko mwarimu ntibyari ngombwa ko mugaruramo kabiri, nari kwivugira ngo mwarimu n'umwana mubi yirukanye inshuti yanjye. Is it making sense? Niyo mpamvu rero hano tuvuga ngo mu cyongereza tugiye cyo bita pronoun, ariyo tuvuga ngo it's a word that is used to replace a noun in a sentence. Ni ijambo risimbura izina mu nteruro. Ngende nk'urugero nko kuri nteruro nari ntanze, mwarimu n'umwana mubi, mwarimu yirukanye inshuti yanjye. Nkavuga ni ibyo bintu nego nubwo bidapfuye ariko ntibiryoheye amatwi, kuko nari kuvuga ngo mwarimu n'umwana mubi yirukanye inshuti yanjye. Is it making sense? Mu cyongereza rero the teacher is not a good person. He expelled my friend. He expelled my friend. Iyo he yasimbuye the teacher. Are you understanding? So we have many categories, many types of pronouns. By starting with the unity number 1, it's a personal pronoun. Tugira rero pronoun nyinshi. Ni ukuvuga ngo tugiramo ibyiciro byinshi bya pronouns. Ubu ngubu reka dutangirane na unity ya mbere, ariyo personal pronoun. Personal pronouns musanzwe muzizi, abagerageza gukoresha icyongereza cyangwa se n'abatagerageza. Ni ibingibi dukoresha ngiye kwivuga ngewe, ngiye kukuvuga, ngiye kuvuga uriya, tugiye kwivuga twebwe, ari bariya tugiye kuvuga se, ari mwebwe. Izo ngizo tuzita personal pronoun. Ariko rero zigabanyijemo ibyiciro bingahe? Bibiri. Tugiramo personal pronoun ya subject na personal pronoun ya object. Twigeze kubivugaho mu isomo ryatambutse. Tuvuga ko personal pronoun iba subject iyo turimo turavuga uwakoze iki igikorwa. Ndagukubita, iyo ndagukubita, iyo nda ni cyangwa se I will beat you, iyo I ni subject kuko ni ngewe uri bukubite wowe. Wowe rero uri bukubitwe ni object. Peter yagurishije John, kumugurisha. Peter yagurishije John. Peter sold John. Ubwo Peter ni izina, John naryo ni irindi zina. Uwakoze igikorwa ni Peter, uwagikoreho ni John. Ubwo mu cyongereza nimba twavuga ngo Peter sold John, tukabisemusa tukavuga ngo he sold him. He sold him. Iyo he yaramugurishije, he sold him. Iyo he ni subject kuko ni Peter. Noneho him ni object kuko ni John wagize gute, wagurishijwe. Humura nibigoye, urahita ubimenya. Muri subject rero tugiramo I, ariwe ngewe wakoze igikorwa, you wowe wakoze igikorwa, he na she uriya w'umuhungu cyangwa w'umukobwa yakoze igikorwa, it ni iriya cyangwa kiriya kuko it ikoreshwa ku bintu cyangwa ku nyamaswa, we twebwe, we studied hard, twize cyane. Urumva ni twebwe twakoze igikorwa cyo kwiga. you noneho urabona ko isa n'andi you ya mbere, ariko iriya you yo tuvuga ko ari ubwinshi, nabyo twarabisobanuye. Hanyuma na they tuvuga bariya, ariko aba bose turi kuvuga ni abakoze igikorwa apana bagikoreweho. Is it making sense? Tukagira noneho personal pronoun za object. Yo object ni victim of cyangwa se niwe uhura na consequences n'ingaruka za actions of the subject. Niwe victim uhura n'ingaruka by'ibyo subject yagize gute yakoze. Nimba vuze ngo ndagukubita, ngewe ndakora igikorwa cyo gukubita, uri bubi inzira karengane yuko gukubitwa kwanjye ni wowe. Uwo wowe rero uri object. Duhereye nko kuri me, ubundi me ni ngewe, ariko igihe ndi gukorerwaho iki igikorwa. I nawe ni ngewe, ariko yari igihe ugiye kugira gute gukora igikorwa. I love him, ndamukunda. She no we njye kuvuga I love him, ngo nabandi umukobwa ndiko ko ari umuhungu nkunda, ariko no mfate ko ndi umuhungu, hari umukobwa ngiye kuvuga yuko nagize gute nkunda. Ubwo ndavuga ngo I love her, I love her. Ubumva ngewe nakoze igikorwa cyo kujya gute cyo gukunda nkunda uriya mukobwa ni her. Ujya ari subject ni she, ariko ko namukunze ni her, tureta tubibona. None njya kuvuga ngo arankunda, she loves me. Me nawe ni ngewe, ariko kubera ko bankoreye igikorwa yakunza kunda ngewe, ndi victim ya rukundo rwiwe. Niyo mpamvu rero hano tuvuga ngo me nayo ni ngewe. Muri make I ihinduka me. I will tell you, nzakubwira. Ubwo ni you ya kabiri hano. Ubwo you iguma ari you, he ihinduka him, she ihinduka her, t iguma ari it, we ni ours, you ni you, they ni them. Hano they know mathematics. Bazi imibare, sibyo? Bazi imibare, sibo? None mvuge ngo ndabakunda. They know mathematics, bazi imibare. Urumva ko nakoresheje they ni bariya. Ninjya kuvuga ngo ndabakunda, sinjya gukunda n'ubundi bariya, right? Ndavuga ngo I love, ntago mvuga ngo I love they, oya. Biba they iyo ari bo bari bukora igikorwa, ariko niba igikorwa kibakorerwaho cyangwa se ari victim y'ibikorwa byanjye, icyo gihe ni them. Ubwo ndavuga ngo I love them, ndabakunda. Naho navuga ko bankunda, nkavuga ngo they love me. Izi zose ni personal pronoun, ariko hano hejuru ku bakora igikorwa ni subject, hano munsi ku bakorerwaho igikorwa ni object. We have examples here. Kandi twavuze ko pronoun ari amagambo asimbura izina mu nteruro kugira ngo tutarivugamo inshuro nyinshi. Dufitemo rero an example here. Muri subject ibi byose ni kuri object. Kuri object birumvikana, subject birumvikana. I will beat you, I love food, I am smart, we are friends. Iyo we, they are at school, bari ku ishuri, they speak English very well, bavuga Icyongereza neza. You look smart, urasa neza, urakeye. Izo zose ni nteruro cyangwa se ni ingero zo kuri subject. Noneho kuri object ingero twatanga, my father is a farmer. Papa wanjye ni umuhinzi. My father will grow crops. Papa wanjye azabona umusaruro. Urumva ko papa yagarutsemo kabiri. Papa wanjye ni umuhinzi, papa wanjye azabona umusaruro. Ibi bintu biri wrong. Impamvu biri wrong nuko biri correct biri hano tuvuga ngo my father is a farmer, he will grow crops. Papa wanjye ni umuhinzi, azabona umusaruro. Birumvikana. I am cooking chips. Ntetse ifiriti. Look at I. Ibina ndeba. I se singewe se twayibonye. Ngiye kwivuga I am smart. Ndi umuhanga cyangwa se ndasane ndakeye. I am smart. None hano hari urugero ruvuga ngo I am cooking chips. Look at I. Ntetse chips ndeba. Is it making sense? bino bintu ego ushatse kubisobanura nko mu Kinyarwanda byaba ari by'uko mu Cyongereza birapfuye kuko ntabwo bavuga ngo look at I, baravuga ngo I am cooking chips, look at me. I am cooking chips, look at me. Look at me. Look at me cyangwa se look at me, uko bishaka kubivuga kose. Is it making sense? You know what? She said that she loves you. Sindi bindi yavuze ngo aragukunda. Iyo she ni subject kuko ni ukunda, ariko she loves you aragukunda bivuze yuko iyo you noneho ni iki, ni object. Gusa twabibonye yuko I ihinduka me muri object, you ikaguma ari you ntihinduka. He yakora igikorwa yagikorerwaho hinduka him. She yakora igikorwa yaba gikorerwaho agahinduka her. I love her, ndamukunda. It ntihinduka. We, us. You ntihinduka. They ihinduka them. Urugero rwo kuri it. It nimba for example ari nk'imbwa. Nshaka kuvuga ngo imbwa yanjye ntisohoka, imbwa yanjye irakonje. My dog will not go out, my dog is cold. Is it making sense? My dog will not go out, my dog is cold. Imbwa yanjye ntiri busohoke, imbwa yanjye igize gute, irakonje. Urumva ndimo ndavuga imbwa inshuro nyinshi kandi itakagombye kugira gute, kugarukamo. Icyo gihe rero ndavuga ngo imbwa yanjye ntiri busohoke, irakonje. Mu Cyongereza nkavuga ngo my dog will not go out, it is cold. Irakonje. Icyo gihe iyo tuvuze ngo it is cold, it is cold, you know, it ni subject. None najya kuvuga ngo imbwa yanjye ndayikunda, I love my dog. Tusimbuze my dog, ubwo my dog kubera ko ari muto ngo I love my dog. Ubwo nimba mvuga ngo I love it. I love my dog. I love it. You know, it yasimbuye my dog. Is it making sense? Birumvikana? Let me hope that we are together. So now let's see, we are done with personal pronoun. Noneho reka tuze turebe iyo twita reflexive pronoun. Reflexive. Tugira noneho icyo indi pronoun bita reflexive cyangwa se unity number 2, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are used to talk about activities that we do by our own. Reflexive pronouns ni ya magambo asimbura amazina ariko dukoresha iyo dushaka kwerekana ko ibintu twebwe twabikoze tubyikoreye ubwacu, nta muntu bidukoreye cyangwa se ubidufashije. Is it making sense? Okay. Izo nazo ni myself, yourself, himself cyangwa se herself, itself. Tugarukiye hano. Myself njyewe ubwanjye, yourself ubwawe, himself ubwe cyangwa se herself ubwe nimba ari umukobwa, itself ubwayo nimba ari inyamaswa. Is it making sense? Ourselves twebwe ubwacu ikintu twikoreye. Yourselves mwebwe ubwanyu noneho muri benshi. Themselves bo bari ubwabo. Is it making sense? Nimba avuga ngo ndikunda, urumva nkora igikorwa cyo gukunda ariko se nkunda njyewe nyine. Ndakunda ariko iki gikorwa cyo gukunda none nkagikorera kuri njye. Sintegereje ko undi muntu nkunda, njye ubwanyu ngeze gute? I love myself. You see, I love myself. Yourself no ubwawe. Will you do it yourself? Uraza kubyikorera cyangwa se uraza kuyikorera? Will you do it yourself? You can't carry it. You can't carry it by yourself. Ntago wewe wenyine wakiteruza. You need someone to help you. Ukeneye somebody's support. Hari ubufasha bw'undi muntu ugize gute ukeneye. Himself cyangwa se herself nabyo birumvikana. She loves herself, arikunda. Ni igikorwa gira gute yikorera. She can't get here by itself, ntabwo yakwigeza hano. She needs someone to escort her, akeneye umuntu ugira gute umwescotinga cyangwa umuherekeza. Ari ourselves, ubwo ni twebwe ubwacu, we love ourselves, turikunda. Yourselves, you trust yourselves, uriyizera. Themselves, bo ubwabo noneho turimo turagira gute, turabavuga. They are very very easy, biroroshye cyane. Nimba ugiye kuvuga ikintu utafashijwe n'undi muntu, we wikoreye ubwawe cyangwa se wikorera ubwawe cyangwa se uzikorera, icyo gihe ukoresha reflexive pronoun. Let's read myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. None iyo byagiye mu bwinshi tuvuga twongera ya f tuyihindura v tugashyiraho as. Ourselves, twebwe ubwacu. Yourselves, themselves. We've got some examples here. I did the homework myself. Dufite ingero hano. Urugero rwa mbere uravuga ngo I did homework myself. Nikoreye umukoro cyangwa se devoir cyangwa se homework. You must love yourself. Ugomba kwikunda. Ugomba kugira gute? Kwikunda. You must love yourself. And we also have example number 3. Joanna did the homework herself. Joanna yikoreye iki? Homework. Hano nari nayikoreye, hano nawe agira gute? Arayikorera. Number 4. The cow cannot get here by itself. The cow cannot get here by itself. Reflexive pronoun, is it making sense? So if you are understanding this, let's then jump and skip to unity number 3, which is called interrogative pronoun. Unity number 3 is about interrogative pronouns. When we talk about interrogative pronouns, tuba turimo turavuga ku byo tuzanzwe twita ngo WH questions. Ni utuntu dukoresha tubaza ibibazo uko usanga dutangirwa na WH. When, where, which, what, who, whose. Izo ngizo nizo twita interrogative pronoun. Izi ngizi rero, they are used to ask questions about different things. Ni zikoreshwa mu kubaza ibibazo ku bintu byinshi bitandukanye. There are 7. Iya mbere ni who. Who turayizi, ikoreshwa ku bantu gusa. Who are you? Urinde. Who stole your phone? Ninde wibye telefoni yawe? Who is that? Uriya ninde? Who are we? Turi bande. Who do you think you are? Urakeka kurinde. Is it making sense? This is what we call who, if you want to ask questions. And is it well understandable? Sure. Okay. Number 2, we have whom. Whom ikoreshwa nayo ku bantu, na who ni ku bantu, ariko kuri who aba ari uwakoze igikorwa cyangwa se dushaka kuvuga umuntu nyirizo n'uwo ari we wagize gute. Ariko nimba dushaka kumenya kanaka icyo mwakoranye cyangwa icyo wamukoreye, icyo gihe dukoresha whom. Gusa whom iyo utayizi ugakoresha who, ahantu henshi hari kujya whom na who igira gute, irahokora. For example, whom are you playing with? Urimo urakinana nande. Hano ushaka wanavuga ngo who are you playing with. Gusa who yabaga yerekana ukora igikorwa, ariko nimba whom yibagiwe ntabwo uri buceceke, ugomba gukoresha who nta kibazo. Whom are you playing with? Whom are you talking to? Urimo uravuga nande. Whom did you beat? Wakubise nde. Is it making sense? Whom are you telling me? Urimo urambwira nde. Iyo rero abantu batabizi mu cyane nko kuvuga cyane kuvuga ko uba ugomba kwiyaranje message igatambuka, agiye nko kuvuga ngo whom are you telling me, urimo urambwira nde, icyo gihe whom ntibuke kuntu ari buyikoreshe, biremewe kwita bikoreshereza who are you telling me. Is it making sense? ariko urimo urambwira nde, nindi urimo urambwira, whom are you telling me? Is it making sense? Okay, this is whom did you tell it? Wabibwiye nde? The other example that is written here, wabibwiye nde? Iyi niyo twita interrogative pronoun ya whom. Number 3, we this was whose. Number 3 is whose. We read whose. We use whose iyo dushaka kumenya nyiri ikintu, the owner of something, nyiri ikintu. For example, turashaka kumenya ngo iyi marker pen ni yandi. Are we together? This marker pen is for who? Ubundi bu buryo buremera ngo kubukoresha mu gihe uri kwidobera. This marker pen is for who? It is for me. Are we together? Ariko nimba ushaka gukoresha interrogative pronoun, uravuga ngo whose marker pen is this? Whose marker pen is this? Hano rero tuyikoresha mu buryo bubiri. Whose is this pen? Iyi karamu ni yande nimba ari karamu atari marker pen. Whose is this pen? Iyi karamu ni yande. Ni kimwe no kuvuga ngo this pen is for who? Whose pen is this? Ubu ni uburyo bishobora kuvuga whose pen is this? Whose is this pen? Ukoresha ubugeza gute? Ukoroheye. Iyi bayita duster. Mbaza ngo iyi duster ni yande. Whose duster is this? Whose duster is this? Cyangwa se whose is this duster? Iyi duster ni yande. This is a watch. This is a watch. Isaha ni yande. This was for who? Wakoresha pronoun cyangwa se interrogative pronoun ukavuga ngo whose watch is this? Cyangwa se whose is this watch? Okay? This was whose. Very easy. Ushaka kumenya nyiri ikintu. Uyu ni papa wande. Mu busanzwe ukoresheje for, ushobora kuvuga ngo this father is for who? This father is for who? Ariko mu cyongereza cyiza gikoresheje pronoun ukuvuga ngo whose father is this. Iyi ngito ushobora no kuyikoresha utarimo urabaza ikibazo, ukavuga ngo wa mwana ufite papa we w'umubaji yapfuye. Wa mwana ufite papa we w'umubaji yapfuye. Iyo nteruro wabasha kuyivuga mu cyongereza. Mu cyongereza rero baravuga ngo the child whose father is a carpenter is dead cyangwa se passed away. The child whose father is a carpenter is dead. Wa mwana ufite papa w'umubaji yagize gute? Yapfuye. Ni whose. Number 4, we have what. What dusanzwe tuyizi. Turumva what? Iki. Iyo tuvuze what, tuba tuvuga ku bintu. Sibyo? What ntago ari ku bantu. Who, whom na whose ni ku bantu gusa. What noneho ni ku bintu. What is your cat's name? Izina ry'ipusi yawe ni iri. Hano icyo twari kutubaza ntago ari ipusi, ahubwo ni izina ryayo. Cyazo nko umuntu yakubaza ngo what is your name? What is your name? Izina. What is your cat's name? What is your father's name? Papa we yitwa nde? Urimo urashaka kumenya ikintu runaka. What is this? Urumva ko ni ikintu. Do you also have what are you talking about? Urimo uravuga ibiki? Icyo bintu uravuga ni ibiki? What are you talking about? Ibintu uri kuvuga ni ibiki? Ibintu uri kuvuga ni ibiki ko nabitahuye? Cyangwa se ntarimo ndabisobanukirwa neza. Is it making sense? What will you do tomorrow? Ejo uzakora iki? Urumva ko ni ikintu. So number 5, there is which. Which is used if we want to ask about options. For example, if we have two things and want to make a choice, you use which. Iyo ufite ibintu bibiri ushaka guhitamo, which rero niyo tukoresha dushaka kwerekana amahitamo mu bintu bibiri tuba twemerewe cyangwa se dusabwa guhitamo kimwe. For example, nkakubwira ngo nabonye Peter. njye nawe tukaba tuziranyeho ba Peter barenze umwe. Ubwo ugomba ndashaka kumenya umupita ugiye kumbwira nuko dufite abarenze umwe. Uhitemo uwo mbwira wabonye. Oh, I saw Peter. Nabonye Peter. Which Peter? Iyi ntabwo ikoreshwa ku bintu gusa cyangwa ku bantu, hose irakoreshwa. Icyo ugomba kumenya hano nuko ikoreshwa mu making a choice. To make an option. Mu guhitamo. Which Peter? Peter wuyi. Dufite for example, do you know these two pens two marker pens are similar, right? And for example, nimba shaka kukubaza ngo aya mamarikera abiri yawe ni yindi ni yihe, sorry, ndakubaza ngo which marker pen is yours? Which marker pen is yours? Marker pen yawe muri izi ngizi ni yihe? Icyo gihe rero ukoresha which. Which house is yours? Inzu yawe ni iyihe? Nimba tubonye imiryango ibiri isa cyangwa se inzu ebyiri zisa, ngahita nkubaza nimba ni nko mu mafoto ngo which house is yours? Which computer is yours? Which camera do you like? Ukunda iyihe kamera? For example, you say I like Sony Alpha, I like Canon, I like Lumix, and so on. You say I like GoPro, ukavuga amakamera wumva ugize gute ukunda, kubera ko hari ubwoko bwinshi, we you make a choice. Is it making sense? Yes. Which is used for making choice, to have an option. So on number 6, the interrogative pronoun number 6, that is called where. Where is used to ask about a place. Where ikoreshwa ugiye kubaza cyangwa se ushaka kumenya ibyerekeye iki ahantu. For example, where do you live? Uba hehe? Where do you live? Uba hehe? Where is Jasmine? Jasmine ari hehe? Where is my phone? Where do you want to go? Ushaka kujya hehe? Where were you born? Wavukiye hehe? Where will you go in holidays? Uzajya hehe mu biruhuko? You see, we use where. So number 7, which is the last, we have the interrogative pronoun when. When is used to ask about time. Iyo tuvuze when, uzahita wumva yuko ari mu kubaza ibintu byerekeranye n'igihe. For example, when is your birthday? Isabukuru yawe y'amavuko iba ryari? When should we come to visit you? Ese twagusura ryari? When were you born? Wavutse ryari? When will you go to visit your grandmother? Ni ryari uzajya gusura nyogokuru wawe? Nako nyogokuru n'ubundi abasanzwe ari uwawe, ariko birumvikana hano dusubiyemo gatoya, interrogative pronouns zikoreshwa mu kubaza ibibazo. Noneho who ikoreshwa ku bantu mu gihe ushaka kubaza umuntu wakoze igikorwa runaka cyangwa se uwo muntu uwo ari we. Who noneho nayo ni ku bantu ariko ushaka kubaza uwo mwakoranye igikorwa cyangwa se wagikoreye. Whom did you beat? Wakubise nde? Whom did you go to the market with? Wajyanye nande ku isoko? Whose ikoreshwa nayo ku bantu ariko ushaka kumenya nyiri ikintu ninde. Whose duster is this? Iyi shifoni ni yande. Noneho what ikoreshwa ku bintu iyo ushaka kumenya ikintu runaka. What is this? What did you do? What do you think you are? Urakeye kuri iki? And so on. Which ni interrogative pronoun ikoreshwa iyo dushaka kumenya icyo twita amahitamo. Ushaka gukora amahitamo. Which father is yours? Papa wawe ni uwuhe? The taller one. Ugahita uvuga ngo uriya muremure. Is it making sense? The taller one. Uyivuze ngo the taller one, uvuga ngo ni muremure ugereranyije n'uwo bagize gute? N'uwo bari kumwe. Where is about a place. Where is your phone? Telefone yawe iri hehe? And when is about when is to ask about time. When were you born? Wavutse ryari? So now let's have another pronoun, the pronoun of the unity number 4, which is called demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Our demonstrative pronouns are, we have this twarayibonye, ariko reka tubisubiremo neza kugira ngo bibashe kumvikana. Iyo tuvuga this tuba tuvuga ikintu cyangwa se umuntu, ikintu donc kiri hafi yacu dushobora gukoraho. None iyo kiri kure icyo gihe tuvuga that. None this iyo ari byinshi biri hafi yacu tubasha gukoraho ni this. This mu bwinshi ni this. None cyaba ari kiri hariya ari kimwe akaba ari that. Byaba ari byinshi akaba ari those. Turebye kuri illustrations hano turahabona uyu ni njyewe, sibyo? Uyu ni njyewe, mfite inshuti yanjye hano turegeranye. Ubwo icyo gihe ndavuga ngo this is my friend, kubera ko inshuti yanjye tugeze gute twegeranye. This is my friend. None nimba hano kuri sketch ya kabiri mfite njyewe hano inshuti kabiri mu ntera nini, ubwo ndavuga ngo uriya ni inshuti yanjye, that is my friend, kubera ko ari hehe, ari kure. Is it making sense? Iyi nshuti yanjye kubera ko inyenyereye ni this is, kubera ko iri kure ni that is. None ufite ngende hano n'inshuti zanjye hano turi kumwe. For example, if you are going to make a presentation, nimba ari nka presentation tugiye gukora, njye n'inshuti yanjye tukaba turi kumwe, ndavuga ngo these are my friends, ni inshuti zanjye, urabona ko ziramwegere ni these are my friends. Ako none number 4 hano, njye ndi hano na za nshuti zanjye twakagombye kuba twegeranye ziri hirya. Is it making sense? Ziri hariya kure, ubwo those are my friends. Iyo ari benshi bari kure cyangwa se ari byinshi biri kure ni those are. Byinshi bikwegere ni these are. None iyo ari kimwe kiri hirya ni that is. Cyaba kiri hafi yawe akaba ari this is. Thank you very much for following the lesson number 8, which were concerned about pronouns. Let's see you next time on lesson number 9. Thank you very much. This was Professor Khalid, and this was the Tips House Academy. We love you so much. Get and stay in touch. Thank you very much.